Good morning. Welcome to BHG Financial Investments and Securities. I'm your host, the Wall Street Bully. Thanks again, guys, for joining me today. Today, I want to talk about a stock or a company that's phenomenal. I mean, this one, I've been studying it for a while, and just the things that I found out about this company, I mean, it's phenomenal. I want to talk about AMD. The company is AMD. They're along the likes of Intel. What else? It's Intel, it's NVIDIA. But this company is a little bit different. They exist within the semiconductor space, and they also design chips primarily to go inside of laptops, gamer laptops, computers, things of that nature. But AMD is a phenomenal company. I mean, based on numbers alone, not to mention they've also teamed up with Tesla as far as semi-autonomous driving or full autonomous driving. So Tesla is definitely teamed up with the company, and they're going to move forward on that as well. So the company has a bright future. And I'm just amazed at just what the company is doing currently and what they're going to do. So the numbers do reflect that. I mean, I think it's a great company all the way around. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about AMD. AMD devices. The current PE ratio is of 34.08. Again, it's 34.08. I like this number to stay below 20, as you guys know. If you come to my channel, I'm primarily going to review stocks based on fundamental analysis. I believe that the numbers really show where the company is going and where it can go. So a lot of times I just strictly zero in on fundamental analysis. So right now the P ratio for AMD is 34.08. The price to earnings growth is 1.2. Price to earnings growth of 1.2. We like this number to be below 1. But 1.2 is not bad. I definitely will take that. Return on shareholder equity is a 60.61. Again, it's 60.61. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. That's actually pretty good for shareholder equity. So that's letting you know just how effective and how efficient the company is. Return on invested capital is 52. Wow, not bad. Price to sales, it's 12-month price to sales. That's, well, we like this number to be greater than 3, 8.52. That lets you know that, the stock is trading at a premium. So a lot of investors are investing in the company. So, it's letting you know it's not undervalued now at all. And it is trading at a premium, slightly higher than where you probably want to buy in at, or your initial price point. Price to book, most recent quarter. We're looking at 15.02. Yeah, that's a little high. And again, this number, let's go here. The lower the ratio, the more the stock is undervalued. So we like this number to be below 3 at 15.02. That's really high. So it's the price to book ratio. What the company should be trading at. So that's 15.02 is a little bit high. Gross to profit margin, 54.79. Not bad. Those are good margins. Those are really good margins. Net profit margin, 25.18. Wow, that's phenomenal. I mean, that's really good. Yeah, wow. Operating profit margin, 15.64. Not bad at all. Annual growth rate. This is 12-month annual growth rate. Coming off the heels of the pandemic, 57.65%. Really good. Really good. There's not much negative to say about that at all. Let's go to the price to free cash flow year over year. Again, this price to free cash flow year over year. We normally like this number to stay between 15 and 20. It's 14.10. Again, it's 14.10. That's still not bad. I mean, price to free cash flow year over year. That's not bad at all. That's not bad at all. Let's keep going here. We have free cash flow growth rate. The free cash flow growth rate. 12-month, 270.40. That's 270.40%. Free cash flow growth rate of 270.40%. That's amazing. That is amazing. Wow. Yeah. I mean, that's wow. Okay, let's keep going here. Debt to equity ratio. Debt to equity ratio. We normally like this number to stay below 2. Again, we'd like for it to stay below 2. So 0.09, that lets you know that the company does not have much debt at all, if any, with the debt to equity ratio that low. Total debt to total capital, most recent quarter, we're looking at 4.61. Amazing, amazing. Let's see, what are we doing here? We're looking at quick ratio. This number should be greater than 1.94. This lets you know just how well the company has the ability to pay down on its debts. Again, this lets you know just how well the company can pay down on its debts, and 1.94 is a really good number. The current stock price for the company right now is $80.56. Again, that's $80.56. Would I invest in AMD right now? Yeah, I would. I would. I mean, it's slightly overvalued, and again, I really like to buy my companies when they're undervalued. But AMD has a really good future ahead of it based on its PEG numbers and its price to earnings growth. I mean, its current price compared to its earnings growth over time. So I think that the company is a phenomenal buy at 80.56. So I definitely would invest at this number. Again, guys, stay tuned. I will have some more videos for you coming soon. There's a lot going on right now in the stock market. We're kind of in a lull period right now. So right now, you really just have to be vigilant. Make sure that you have a lot of companies in your watch list. Make sure that you're doing your homework as well. You got to make sure you're doing your homework. Run these fundamental analysis as much as possible right now. Right now, we really should be getting into the weeds of things, making sure that we are really researching these companies in great detail before we decide to buy. But yeah, as long as you're conducting your fundamental analysis, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. The numbers always tell the story of where the company is going, where it's been, and where it is now. So thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to be doing some business plans pretty soon. BHG, that's primarily what we do here. We create and design business plans for entrepreneurs for new businesses. So, but again, thanks you guys for tuning in, and I will have some more content for you coming pretty soon. Thanks again. Be blessed.